Hey, and welcome to Smart Office, weekly tips and tricks to work around Microsoft Office applications.
How to configure dark mode for Microsoft Office applications. If anyone is using Windows 10 in dark mode, now Microsoft Office applications can do the same. Now from within Microsoft Office applications, we can specify that we want them to use the same system theme settings. To find out how, just watch the video below. I'm in Windows settings and I select the category Personalization. From the left of the drop-down menu, I select the command Colors. And from Choose Your Color, it is Light, I select Dark. Just wait a couple of seconds and the whole environment of Windows will change to dark. Now I move to Microsoft Word. Everything seems okay and nothing is dark. I select the File tab to move to Backstage View, and from the drop-down menu I select the command Account. Under Account and User Information, where it mentions Office Theme, I just select Use System Setting, and straight away Microsoft Word is into dark mode. The same stands for Microsoft Excel, File, Account, Use System Setting under Office Theme, and the same for PowerPoint, File, Account, Use System Setting. Whatever adjustments we make to one application, it takes place to the rest of the applications also.
Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, head down to the comment section and let me know.